What's up guys, hope you're all good and safe. Welcome to another tutorial in this complete Premiere Pro 2021 course. A very useful tool if you would be doing raw edits is using the trim monitor to trim your clips. Now, if I want to trim these clips, I can either do it just by hovering my mouse over and then deleting the empty space, which is absolutely fine, but I'm going to undo this for now, so Command Z or Control Z. Or I can simply use the ripple edit option by pressing the keyboard shortcut, which is the letter B, and then trim my clips. But both of these methods are letting me trim my clips in the timeline. We can also trim clips within the program monitor, or in this instance, it will be the trim monitor. So if I want to trim these clips in the program monitor, all I'm going to do is just double click on this joint, and now I can see both of my videos side by side in my trim monitor or in my program monitor. You will notice that you have these double arrows giving you the ability to trim these clips in the monitor. So if I want to trim this clip a frame forward or a frame backward, I can use either of these buttons. I can also go either ways, backwards or forwards, by 5 frames, and I've got these 2 buttons to do that. You will, however, notice that when you go on a frame by frame basis, it's not as smooth as you would want. So a better approach to trim clips in the program monitor is by using the keys J, K and L on your keyboard. So we have already looked in one of the previous videos that the J key moves you backwards, the L key moves you forwards, and if you want to stop at any point, then there's a key K for that. And now when I'm trimming my clips in the trim monitor using the keyboard shortcuts J, K and L, you can see it's much easier and much smoother. So guys, that's how you can trim clips in the program monitor. I hope you found this video useful, and if you've got any questions, feel free to drop your questions in the comments area and I will get back to you as soon as possible. I'm now going to see you in the next video, so till then, you take care of yourself.